You've crushed another workout, you're eating protein, getting sleep, and taking rest days, but days later, you're still battling that same persistent muscle soreness. What if the real culprits behind your sluggish recovery have nothing to do with how hard you train? The truth lies in three hidden biological processes. First, chronic inflammation acts like a smoldering fire, shifting your body into a catabolic state that favors muscle breakdown over repair. Second, intense exercise creates oxidative stress, free radicals that damage your cells and prolong fatigue. And third, the essential amino acid gap. If your protein source is missing even one of the 9 essential amino acids, muscle protein synthesis grinds to a halt. Most recovery protocols only address one piece of the puzzle. True optimization requires a comprehensive approach, managing inflammation, providing antioxidant protection, and ensuring complete essential amino acid availability. In our full guide, we dive deep into the science of these three hidden causes and reveal the exact strategies to unlock your true recovery potential. If this opened your eyes like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the link in the description to read the full guide.